Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the "there was a problem signing you in" error on OneDrive in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and click on the Windows Start menu. This is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen, represented by the Windows logo icon. Once your Start menu has opened, here's what we need to do. To fix the "there was a problem signing you in" error on OneDrive, we're going to use the built-in reset function for your OneDrive app. This reset function comes along with the OneDrive installation and functions as a clearing tool whenever you're having trouble with your OneDrive app. The great thing about this method is that it will completely reset OneDrive without affecting any of your files, so you don't need to worry about losing any data. Now, I'm going to show you a file path directory that you'll need to enter. Feel free to pause the video and copy the complete file path if you need to. The path is %local app data %microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive.exe/reset. Once you've copied this path, paste it directly into your Start menu search box and press Enter. When you do this, the OneDrive reset.exe will run and begin the reset process for your OneDrive app. As I mentioned earlier, your files won't be affected by this process, so everything stored in your OneDrive will remain safe and intact. The reset simply clears out any problematic settings or cache that might be causing the sign-in error. Now all you have to do is wait until the reset process completes. This usually takes just a few moments, so be patient while Windows works through the reset. Once it's finished, OneDrive should automatically restart and you'll be able to sign in without encountering that frustrating error message. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the OneDrive sign-in problem using the built-in reset function. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.